The AutoSky AI Box Lite is the perfect solution to modernize your driving experience. Simply plug the device into your car's CarPlay USB port. Within a few seconds, the AutoSky main menu will load directly on your screen. From this menu, simply tap on the feature you want to use, whether it's Wireless CarPlay, Wireless Android Auto, or your favorite streaming apps like YouTube and Netflix. Before using streaming apps, you'll need to connect the AI Box Lite to a Wi-Fi network or a mobile hotspot. To do this, tap on Settings from the main menu, then select Wi-Fi, choose your hotspot or preferred network. Once connected, you can open any streaming app and log into your personal account to watch your favorite shows. To use Wireless CarPlay, return to the main menu and tap Wireless CarPlay. On your iPhone, make sure Bluetooth is enabled, then select AutoSky from the available devices. Once paired, CarPlay will launch wirelessly on your vehicle's display, no cables needed. Since the AI Box Lite features a single Wi-Fi module, you can stream and use Wireless CarPlay or Android Auto at the same time. To switch between modes, turn off Bluetooth on your phone and reconnect to your hotspot when needed. The AutoSky AI Box Lite is compact, efficient, and easy to use. The perfect upgrade for drivers who want the freedom of wireless connectivity and in-car entertainment. AutoSky AI Box Lite. Smarter drives start here.